welcome. Today I am upgrading my Ghostbusters ECTO-1 LEGO set, and I'm doing that with a remote-controlled LED lighting and sound kit that I found on Amazon. Now, there are a number of different manufacturers of these lighting kits. You can just search for LEGO lighting kits on Amazon and find plenty of them. I chose this particular kit because it also has sound on it. So if you stick around until after the installation, I'll let you know what I thought of this particular kit and give you my humble opinion on whether this is worth getting. So if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure to click on the subscribe button below. It really helps the channel out, and you can also get notifications of when new videos are coming out. So thanks for watching. Let's get started. moment of truth. I have approximately zero confidence that this is going to work when I try to turn it on. The instructions were awful. It was just a series of poorly lit images, so there's a chance I got it right, but my confidence level is not high. We'll see how it goes. Now, according to the instructions, if I'm reading them right, but from what I understand, I'm supposed to hold down the power button for 3 seconds and keep holding it down while I connect the power to the USB. I could be reading that wrong, I don't know, but I'm going to try that. So I'm going to hold down the button for a few seconds. And then as I'm holding it down, I'm going to connect it. And whoa, something happened. Alright, so we've got the lights in place, everything looks good, everything sounds good, everything worked on the first try. I didn't have to go troubleshoot anything, so that's good. If you want to watch the stop motion speed build of the ECTO-1 being put together, I'll put a link to that in the description. I think you'll really enjoy that. Yeah, I would say if you're gonna have one of these up on a shelf, this light kit is really, really cool. If it's something that, or if it's gonna be somewhere where people can see it up close, I don't know. I don't know that I would use this kit just because you can see all the wires. And there are a couple of small issues I have, like the hood won't close all the way, things like that. But overall, I mean, you get exactly what you expect from it. The instructions were kind of iffy. They were in places kind of difficult to follow, but obviously I figured it out. I mean, I got it to turn on and I got everything to work on the first try, so I guess that's better than I was expecting. So thanks for watching. Let me know what you thought of the build. Let me know what you thought of the light set, if you put it on yourself or if you got a different light set than I did. Let me know what you thought of it. But yeah, be sure to subscribe below if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.